What is going on? How you guys doing today? So, I was just thinking about life and all the things I shoulda, woulda, and coulda done. You ever wish that you go back to 2008, throw $10 on some Bitcoin? Well, you can't, because this ain't Back to the Future. Alright? And you know, when you were younger and your parents said, well, if all your friends jumped off a bridge, would you do it? And in your head you're thinking, well, yeah, probably would. This is one of those times where you need to do what everybody else is doing, man. You don't watch the news? What is that? Tesla or Musk, Elon Musk just bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. There's another H&R Block, or one of those money people that just implemented crypto assets in their what is it, stock options or something. I'm new to this, guys, so I'm trying to explain to you why you need to do this right now. You can go get free money from Coinbase. Go check it out today.